This thing, no, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. I love this Craftsman right here. In this review, we have something that I actually stumbled on by mistake. So I was actually looking for a backpack sprayer back in around October, November-ish, because I wanted to go ahead and do something on the lawn, but I actually came across this first. So we'll get into the backpack sprayer later. But right here we have a Craftsman battery powered sprayer. I have never seen this before. So this is 1 year limited warranty. I know Craftsman usually do a lifetime warranty, but I think that's just for tools. All right. And this is a sprayer that's supposed to go on your refill tanks right here. So my wand is broke. All right, I don't know how many times I buy this thing and the wand breaks because I break it. All right, it's me, it's my fault. Okay, anyways, the wand is broke. I can't use it, so we will be trying this out, seeing how this works, and hopefully this is sturdy enough. All right, you guys, so this says 60-minute runtime. I don't see what batteries it says it takes, so we will find that out once we open the box. All right. And it also say for use with pesticides. So pretty much don't use this for nothing else. You probably won't get your covers that you need. All right, you guys, so this thing says it does about 20-foot spray out. And if you're looking for instructions, forget about it. No instructions. So your instructions will be telling you what it does: adjustable nozzle, throttle lock. So it tells you can lock your throttle with this red part right here. Universal cap. So they said this is a universal cap right there. And what else? All right, your hose connect. It says the hose connect is right here. So you guys, there is no instructions. Zero. So that is it. That's all they telling you right there. I guess they letting you know you should know this already. So let's go ahead and take the old top off. And also, you should be wearing gloves while messing with pesticide. Of course, this goes in just like that. So if you have one of these wands already, just mimic your current wand. And this is fairly cheap, you guys. I think it was like $8 or something like that. Don't know the price now due to inflation, but I got this back in fall. So yeah, so that goes on like that, and it got clips right there. So we are going to put this on last. Let's go ahead and see. All right, so it looks like I'm hitting the bottom already. This is a little bit longer. I'm gonna have to cut it about 1 inch because it keeps getting stuck in there. And let me get some gloves. All right, you guys, we got our PPE. All right, I think my scissors are in the house, so I don't feel like going in the house. So yeah. All right, you guys, what do I got here? Yeah, it's about 1.5 inches more. So let me just go ahead and cut this off. Cut that off. Let's see if we can fit it in now. Come on, Craftsman. Oh, well, push down. You gotta push down hard on it, you guys. And it was still rubbing on the bottom, so I didn't cut that much off. But anyways, all right, now the main thing on this, it says remove before using power on. So this must be where the battery, all right, so they got plus plus, negative negative right here. So this is not like a rechargeable, I don't think. I'm trying to see if I could pull it. Oh, there we go. All right, I pulled that side and that side. All right, so yep, You have 4 AA batteries, and they included it in there. All right, so you got 4 AA's. Gotta wind that back down. Come on, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. All right, we're gonna put this back on. Let's put this in. All right, all I did was just push it in, you guys, and spray. Oh, let me unlock it. Gotta put it up to unlock, and okay, sprays pretty hard, and it sprays good and fast. And this is adjustable nozzle right here. So right now I got it spraying all the way out as a wide spray, as you can see. And as I turn to my right, y'all see it's spraying out single spray. I turn all the way to my left, wide spray. Right, single spray. Let's go test this out in the front. All right, you guys, so we're about 8 foot away from where I'm standing at right now to the corner of my door, so y'all can get a good look. And it's hitting the door pretty well. Not door, but the vinyl siding. Whew. And the wind blow is coming towards me. All right, let me hit y'all with the other angle. All right, you guys, so we are about, I want to say 15 foot away, and let's see. And yep, now in reality I will not be 20 foot away. In reality I'll be probably close up like this, fumigating the house. You know what I mean? I'm not going to be super far away, and I can't see y'all on the camera, so yeah. So in the reality of things, you guys, I will be closer than that 20 foot mark. I will probably be like this. You guys, this is a must have. All right, this thing is powerful. Let's finish the review. Okay. Whew. You guys. This thing, no. Yes. I love this Craftman right here. Ryobi, Cobalt, and all the 2 companies, y'all better step y'all game up, because this is a game changer. This thing is, you know, as far as the company that makes these home defense things, the Orthro or whatever, however you want to pronounce it, whatever, they need to make their wands like this, okay? This is amazing. Like, well, I'm not going to spray it now because the wind is blowing in my face again. But yeah, so other than that, this is a good product. Now it says it does 60 minutes continuous runtime. Now I don't know if the batteries will run out in 60 minutes, so yeah, take that in mind. If this was rechargeable, this would be awesome. Awesome. Like I told y'all, I fumigate every season. So every season we get the bombs out, I get the sprayer, I fumigate. I don't have bugs in the house because I'm probably a fumigating freak. So, and if I see bugs in the house, guess what? This is home defense. So it says for residential use only, and you can spray this inside, you see, inside and outside your house. So if you go to Home Depot, Lowe's, and you see this brand there, make sure you get one of these, fumigate your house. Other than that, this is awesome. Like, comment, and subscribe.